Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable 24/5 on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to switch on the 24/5 trading option so you can place orders throughout the week, even outside regular market hours. Remember, 24/5 trading is available only on select instruments, and conditions like wider spreads or lower liquidity can apply during extended sessions, so take a moment to review any on-screen notices as you go. Start by opening the Trading 212 app or visiting the web platform. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your watch lists and place orders. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen for the compass icon. This opens the Explore or Discover section, which is the quickest way to find instruments supported on the platform. Use the search bar to type in a symbol you want to look at. If you're just testing the feature, you can try a well-known symbol, but keep in mind that 24/5 won't be available on every asset. As you type, you'll see matching results appear below the search field. Select the symbol you want from the results to open its instrument page. Here you can view the price chart, key details, and recent performance. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct instrument, especially if there are multiple listings that look similar. Next, choose whether you want to open the order ticket by pressing Buy or Sell. Buy is for going long if you expect the price to rise. Sell is for going short if you believe the price may fall. Either option will take you to the order screen where you can set quantity, order type, and other preferences. On the order ticket, look for the 24/5 trading toggle. This control enables extended hours execution when it's supported for the selected instrument. Turn the toggle on. If a brief explanation or disclaimer appears, read it carefully so you understand how pricing and execution may differ outside normal hours. With the toggle enabled, your order will be routed for 24/5 trading. If you later prefer to trade only during the main market session, you can return to the ticket and turn the toggle off before placing your order. That's it. You've navigated to Trading 212, opened the instrument via the compass and search, selected it, entered the order ticket through Buy or Sell, and switched on the 24/5 trading option. If you don't see the toggle, the feature may not be available for that instrument or in your region. Trade responsibly, review costs and risks, and you're ready to proceed.